Salah, or Islamic prayer, holds a profound significance in the life of a Muslim. It serves as a direct connection with Allah, offering moments of reflection, gratitude, and submission. It's not just a routine, but a spiritual anchor that grounds believers in their daily lives. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope this message finds you in good health and high spirits. I'm truly honored to welcome you to today's discussion on perfecting our Salah. As individuals on a spiritual journey, we often find ourselves seeking ways to enhance our connection with the divine. In this video, we'll delve into the common mistakes made during Salah, and more importantly, explore practical and insightful ways to correct them. Whether you're new to the concept of Salah or a seasoned practitioner, my goal is to provide guidance that fosters a deeper understanding of this sacred act of worship. So let's embark on this journey together as we strive to perfect our Salah and strengthen our bond with Allah. Mistake number 1, rushing through the prayer. Imagine that you're going through the motions quickly, perhaps due to a busy schedule or distractions. While it's natural to be in a hurry at times, rushing through Salah can affect its validity. Why? Because each posture in Salah, from standing to bowing and prostration, has its own significance and serves as a means of communication with Allah. When we speed through these positions, we risk missing the essence of the prayer and its intended impact on our hearts. Imagine sending a heartfelt message in a hurry. The true meaning might get lost. To make this clearer, consider taking a moment in each posture, savoring the connection with Allah, and allowing the prayer to be a meaningful conversation rather than a hurried task. Think of Salah as a conversation with a close friend. If you were sharing your thoughts and concerns with a friend who was constantly in a rush, glancing at their watch and eager to move on, you might feel unheard and undervalued. Similarly, when we rush through our prayers, we risk conveying the same message to Allah, that we're not fully present or engaged. To correct this mistake, let's visualize the act of slowing down during Salah as an opportunity to cherish our connection with the Almighty. Take a moment to pause in each position, allowing the words of praise and supplication to resonate within you. This not only ensures the validity of your prayer, but also enriches your spiritual experience. Mistake number 2, lack of focus. It's not uncommon for our minds to wander during prayer, especially when we're preoccupied with daily concerns or future plans. However, this diversion can impact the quality of our connection with Allah. Salah is meant to be a moment of mindfulness, a time when we set aside worldly thoughts and fully engage in a conversation with our Creator. Consider a scenario where you're talking to someone, but your mind is elsewhere. You might miss vital details or fail to truly connect. Similarly, when we let our minds drift during Salah, we risk missing out on the profound spiritual benefits of the prayer. To overcome this, visualize focusing on the present moment during your prayer, leaving aside worries and distractions. It's like putting away your phone when having a heartfelt conversation with a friend to give them your undivided attention. Remember, each moment of Salah is an opportunity for spiritual renewal and connection. By addressing this mistake and actively engaging in the prayer, we can make our Salah a more enriching and spiritually fulfilling experience. Mistake number 3, incorrect Quranic verses and supplications. Many of us might unintentionally mispronounce or rush through the words during our prayer. This mistake can impact the validity of Salah, as precise recitation is crucial for fulfilling the requirements of this spiritual act. To illustrate this, think of reading a favorite passage from a book. If you were to skip words or mispronounce them, the beauty and meaning of the passage might be lost. Similarly, in Salah, the verses recited hold deep significance and are a direct communication with Allah. Mispronunciations or rushing through them might alter the intended message and affect the overall essence of the prayer. To correct this, let's imagine reciting the Quranic verses and supplications with the same attentiveness and care we would give to reading a cherished book aloud. Slow down, enunciate each word clearly, and take a moment to understand the meaning behind the verses. This approach not only ensures the correctness of your Salah, but also enhances your connection with the divine words. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore and improve our Salah. Your time and engagement mean the world to us, and we sincerely appreciate your commitment to enhancing your spiritual connection. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support motivates us to continue creating content that resonates with your needs. Until next time, may your prayers be filled with presence and sincerity. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.